What's up? So, I survived the snowpocalypse. Um, that's kind of lame. I just saw that some post on Facebook that said moms keep texting their kids to see if they survive the snowpocalypse. Seen as the recent storm, I believe it's called Juno or something. But I'm in the northeast-ish. Yeah, you could argue I'm in the northeast. But yeah, we got some of the snow, although I feel like we got much less than anyone else did. Um, I think I'm addicted to this like vlog thing, because I can just like record my thoughts about anything. Um, that being said, I finished a few homework assignments today. I'm gonna take a shower because, as you can tell, I have crazy hair, and this is at fault because it's been really cold outside, and I can't help it. My hood just isn't enough. So I'm planning to get a haircut soon. I need one. Although I kind of don't want to get one because it's so cold outside that as soon as I get it, my head's gonna feel cold, regardless if I have a beanie or not. But my hair is like a chia pet. Right now, it seems kind of just like uncombed, and it would seem like I have like parts that are uneven. That's because of the beanie. But my hair grows at vertical angles from my head. So a good example would be this nope, this section right here. Well, imagine that, but evenly throughout. Um, yeah. So I've got a lot of things to do. I have to finish reading primary literature for a class. I'm not a grad student yet, hopefully, God willing, but I'm taking a grad school class. I've taken a few grad school level classes, but this is like they were kind of like dual enrollment type of classes where like biochemistry, things of the sort, where you have a few grad students there and some undergrads, usually seniors. But this time I'm actually taking like a for real legitimate grad school class, and it's so much different than undergrad because you're just thrown on your own. You show up and the professor's like, okay, so topics, we're going to discuss this, and this. And once you're familiar with the material, you're going to present to the class. So pick a paper, and that's what you will present. And then pick a topic from the book. And he gives you like different sections scattered throughout this ginormous looking book of molecular cell biology. Um, which I'm a chemistry major, but I guess I'm sort of like an undeclared bio major as well because I've taken like I think I've taken more bio classes than I have taken chemistry classes. Um, but it's still sort of difficult for me because all the students that are in there are grad students, and they don't seem to be like first year grad students. They seem to be experienced. I can tell because they're very relaxed, and I got my paper and I started reading the abstract, and I was like, what does the third word in the first sentence mean? So for the past day and a half, I've been Googling everything. And I understand the bulk of it, but the point of the teaching like I'm supposed to teach the class on that specific paper that I was assigned. So I'm supposed to be very knowledgeable. And in the chemistry department, we do things similarly. Once you reach junior level, you start reading primary literature, and then as you move up to senior level, you continue to present primary literature in the form of a presentation. You read it, analyze it, techniques, methods, data analysis, mechanisms, everything. That essentially you have to know it just as well as the person that wrote the paper. was the same concept, but in biology the techniques are they're so varied. In chemistry, you get a usually the name of the technique tells you a lot, like very specific of what was done. But in biology, I feel like sometimes it's a little ambiguous, especially because even though I've taken so many bio classes, um, I feel like it's been about a year since I took a bio class. Last semester, I didn't take one. No, I guess I did. Never mind. I guess I'm just exaggerating. But nonetheless, it's pretty difficult. And it's about cancer, and cancer is just it's cancer. It's different. It's crazy. It's all over the place. So I'm gonna be giving a presentation on that. So let you know how that went. Hmm. What else have I got going? I got a paper that I'm writing for English. It's kind of odd seeing a senior in a sophomore level English class, but I accidentally took the wrong English class. I took studies in American literature, and I was supposed to take British literature. So I took care of that when I was a sophomore, like I was supposed to, but I took the wrong English class. And I think that's the second time that happens to me. So I've taken quite a few English classes that I wasn't supposed to take. And oddly enough, I'm no better at English because of that. Um, but yeah, that's what's going on here. Um, I'm set to graduate in May, God willing, and I'm planning to work for a year. Given my experience with some research, I did about 2 years of research, not rigorous research, but I did some research in chemistry, and the chemistry major that I'm getting, along with all the bio classes that I've had, I think I can land a job pretty soon. Maybe not a great paying job, but nonetheless, just entry level bachelor degree in chemistry type of job. And then I also plan to apply for medical school soon. Yep, this is January application. At least for my school, the way that they do it is they have to approve the application process. So that starts pretty soon, and I have to jump on that. And I'm also going to be waiting until probably the summertime to take the GRE for grad school, just because I want to be prepared for it. I don't want to do it in the middle of the semester. I want to study a bit for it. I've already taken the MCAT, and I didn't get a great score, but it wasn't horrible. And I've already completed the first rotation of medical school through a special program at a pretty good medical school. I think it's nationally known, UNC Chapel Hill. I'm not sure how nationally known, but it was a great experience. And I got a good letter from them of recommendation, so I'm hoping that my MCAT weighs less than it's supposed to. If God wills, I could go the medical school route in a year after I complete my year of working. Um, but yeah, that's all I got. It's been fun so far. See you later.